A lot of contractors don't know what they're talking about. Be careful. Some roofers will tell you you'll get way more money for your house because it has a brand new roof. That's not true in central New York. Basically, you've got a roof. I expect it to be in good working order. If you put a brand new roof on for $30,000, that doesn't increase the house by $30,000. You've got a roof. I expect it to be in good working order. Thank you very much for giving me a brand new roof. It's kind of like a hot water heater. I expect to have a good hot water heater in your house that I'm buying. But if you just put a brand new one in for $600, thank you very much. I'm not gonna pay you $600 more for it. Same thing with painting the exterior of your house. It will make your house more sellable. I'm not gonna pay you $15,000 more because you just painted the exterior of your house. Thank you very much. Some of those things will add value to the house, but the mechanicals won't. Be very careful. Make sure you have a real estate agent who knows how to give you the price range of a house based on the condition of the house. That is a skill set. The roof does not increase the value of the house. It will increase the sellability of the house, but not the value.